Hello and welcome to this video on the ALERTA MoveAssist patient transfer aid. In this video we will go over the unique features and benefits and demonstrate how this product is to be used. With a max user weight of 200 kg, the ALERTA MoveAssist is equipped with 2 padded anti-slip support handles, one for the user and one for the caregiver, incorporating hooks for use with a sling when extra support is required. There are 2 generously sized, easy-to-use seat pads, conveniently placed and robust opening leg pedals. Simply push down on one pedal to open or close the legs. Uniquely designed, easy-to-use push-on, push-off brake system. Push red for on or push grey for off. The ALERTA MoveAssist also features a spacious anti-slip footplate with lip-free access, and a knee pad co-designed alongside occupational therapy professionals to ensure usability for a diverse demographic. The ALT ST200 is a very simple product to use. First, simply raise the 2 seat pads up so that they are parallel to the side of the MoveAssist. Next, ensure the patient is in position and move the MoveAssist in front of the patient so that their feet are firmly on the footplate and their knees or shins are in contact with the knee pad. If required, push down on the opening leg pedals to open or widen the legs. Doing this will allow you to get around wider obstacles such as recliner chairs and ensure the MoveAssist is closer to the patient. Before the patient gets onto the MoveAssist, lock both casters by pushing down on the red caster clip as shown. Next, ensure the patient is holding onto the crossbar closest to them and using their own strength to pull themselves up into a standing position firmly on the platform as shown. Once the patient is on the MoveAssist, lower both seat pads into position to form a complete seat. Then have the patient lower themselves down onto the seat while keeping their knees or shins resting on the knee pads, whilst holding the crossbar with both hands. Now press the caster brakes off and place both hands on the crossbar furthest from the patient and transfer the patient to the new location. Make sure the patient is secure and in the proper position as described in step 5, prior and during transfer. The MoveAssist is a manual unit and therefore requires minimal maintenance on an ongoing basis. However, to ensure safety and proper use, the following steps should be taken on a monthly basis. Check all bolt and nut assemblies to make sure they are tight and no wear and tear is evident. Replace and tighten any worn assemblies prior to using the MoveAssist. Check the 2 seat assemblies to make sure they are not worn or damaged and that the bolts are tight. Replace any worn or damaged seat components before using the MoveAssist. Finally, check the casters to make sure they are in working order and are secured firmly to the MoveAssist. Replace any worn or damaged casters prior to using the MoveAssist. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we trust that the MoveAssist will be a beneficial solution for your patient's needs.